Hello and welcome to Body Wisdom's YouTube channel, coming to you from Des Moines, Iowa. Today we've got a quick and exciting tutorial for you on performing a myofascial arm pull, plus some excellent visualization techniques to boost the experience for you and your client. All right, let's jump right in.
First, have your client lie comfortably on the table, face up. From the side of the table, gently lift your client's arm. Hold on to their wrist with one hand while placing your other just above their elbow for stability. Next, begin to apply a slow, steady pull. Imagine you're pulling the arm like a length of rope that's been tangled, and you're gradually untangling it. As you do this, you will feel the fascia's resistance. Remember, fascia is like a web. When tight, it can restrict movement. We're helping it soften and release, but it takes time, so be patient. Now, move around the table and repeat the process, holding the arm in the 9 o'clock position. Encourage your client to focus on their breath, and visualize their arm lengthening with each exhale. I like to use the image of a flowing river. I'll say, imagine your arm as a river, and with each pull, the water flows more smoothly, clearing away any blockages. It's a continuous, slow stretch. You might feel areas where the arm seems a little tighter. If so, hold that stretch for a more extended moment. Ideally, you should stretch in each position for about 60 to 90 seconds, or until you feel a release. Now, move into the noon position. Wait for the body to let go naturally. You'll notice, with time, that the arm will start to soften and extend a little more. That's when you know the fascia is releasing. And finally, all the way around to the 3 o'clock position. In this position, contact the back of the shoulder blade and pull forward as you perform the arm pull with your upstream hand. Throughout the process, keep communicating with your client. Ask how they feel. If they feel any discomfort, back off slightly. We want this to be relaxing and therapeutic, not forceful. Once you've completed the pulls, gently lower the arm back to the table and repeat on the other side. This ensures both arms and their facial connections to the chest, shoulders, and upper back are evenly treated. And that's it. A simple but powerful myofascial arm pull.
We hope you enjoyed today's mini lesson. If you're ready to take your myofascial training to the next level, Body Wisdom Massage School offers an incredible 48-hour myofascial release CE course. It's packed with everything you need to deepen your skills. We'd love to see you there. In the meantime, good luck with your practice.